In the Nilay Letranista number 4, from this experiences, natutunan ko that following Jesus is a daily choice. Actually, it's not a choice, it's required because it requires commitment, prayer, uh, and the willingness to change. And makakatulong to successes are taught uh, when it comes to small acts of faith that can lead to big growth, while my failures taught me that God grace is always available when I make mistakes. And nakakatulong to see discipleship as a journey rather than a perfect performance. And this learning, nakakatulong siya sa akin to flourish as a Christian and as a person, because it teaches me to live with purpose and compassion. And sa pagsunod ko sa Panginoon, I become more patient, kind, understanding, and loving towards others. And I learn to carry my own crosses with courage and to trust God's plan for my life, sa buhay ko. As I continue this journey of discipleship, I'm encouraged to grow not only in faith but also in character and becoming a better person each day.